the ocean, like literally right next to it.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh no, you're good.
I thought something.
What's he doing, Dad?
I'm making a video.
Okay, I can video.
Oh, I got it. It's okay. You,
No, I seriously, I'm fine. I can do it.
well, I'll hold it too, and you can hold it as well.
I kind of want to, just like, I could get like good views by taking it up and down.
There you go.
It might be a bit of a bump. But I cannot take off my mask. It's really annoying. Plus, it's annoying my nose.
Yeah, we're gonna be right next to the ocean. Like literally right next to it. I think. Look, there's some people looking at it.
Yeah.
Really took the picture.
That's a pretty great train stop.
Yeah. Really nice.
It's the next
And
stop.
if we're going on a Wellington, then it's literally right next to the train station. It's the ocean.
It's my shoe back since it's literally the next stop.
Is it the next stop?
Yeah. So weird. I thought it was gonna be like the fourth stop.
Oh man, I like it here.
Yeah. This would be a good town to live in. Or is this not a town? Is this just There's a bird.
Ocean.
And do you think that bird over there might see that bird over there? It could be a black robin or a raven. I can see these speedboat tracks.
I know, right?
That just makes the ocean lighter.
Slightly.
And it feels like it's going wah, wah. Like it looks so weird, like we're going around in a circle, or the ocean, that whole ocean is going around in a
We're
circle.
back there to Wellington. We used to be back there. Oh.
My God.
Thank you.
Make that two. Make that two, just so.
Okay, bus replacements will treat them.
saw a seagull, a giant seagull.
King seagull. Was
A
it
sea